Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify webhooks using the admin API. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Shopify webhooks using the admin API, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section found on the left sidebar. Select Manage Private Apps under the Develop Apps option. If you haven't already, enable private app development by clicking the Enable Private App Development button. Create a new private app by clicking on the Create a New Private App button. Fill in the required information for your new app, such as the app name and contact email. In the Admin API section, set the permissions for webhooks to read and write. Save your private app to generate the necessary API. Copy your API key and password for later use. Open a code editor or terminal to make your API requests. Use a command line tool like curl or Postman to send your API calls. If you are using curl, set up your request to the endpoint for updating webhooks. The endpoint format is https://yourstorename.myshopify.com/admin/API/API version. Make sure to replace your store name, API version, and webhook ID with your actual store information and the webhook ID you wish to update. In the request body, include the updated details for your webhook in JSON format. Be sure to specify the fields you want to update, such as the delivery URL or the format. Set your request method to PUT, as this is required for updating resources. Include your API credentials in the headers for authentication. Send your request and check the response for any errors. If the update is successful, you will receive a confirmation with the updated webhook details. Review the changes in your Shopify admin dashboard to ensure everything is correct. You have now successfully updated your Shopify webhooks using the admin API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.